So now we have to find root 17. So for your better understanding, I have taken 1 unit as 2 centimeter, but you have to take it as 1 centimeter only. Okay. So label our point 0 as A, point 4 as C. Okay. Now we have to take our compass, put a pencil in it, and as I have taken 1 unit as 2 centimeters, so I will take 2 centimeter in it, but you have to take 1 unit as 1 centimeter, so you will take 1 centimeter in your compass and keep it on point 4 and put a cut, and then you have to draw a perpendicular from point number 4. And now using scale, you have to join point number A to the intersection. And name that point B. And now we have to take the compass and take AB as its length and rotate it until it cuts a point in our number line, and name that point as point number D. Okay. So after you do this much, this AD. Okay, so the point number D is root 17. So now what you will write in the, so that examiner should give you marks. So here you have to write in triangle ABC, AB equals to 4 units. No, AC equals to 4 units. That was my mistake. AC equals to 4 units. Okay. BC equals to 1 unit. And now we have to show the working part. So AC square equals to AB square AB square equals to AC square plus BC square, which is equals to 4 square plus 1 square, which is equals to 16 plus 1, which is equals to 17. AB square equals to 17. So AB, which is also equals to AD, equals to root 17, which equals to 4.12. Okay guys.